demonstration how to use XC Mini. Now I'm demonstrating how to cut a Citroen Berlingo car. Open up the hood. Look for key duplication. Press. Look for your car model, which starts with C. Citroen is the fourth option. Go down to Citroen. Press enter. Model is Berlingo. You press B. Search for the year. Mine is 2015. So it's after 02. You press 02, press confirm. Next, look for this M2. This is M2 side A. Look for side A. Alright, so it is done. So you clamp this to the car. Yeah. Make sure it's tight. Okay, roughly this area. Make sure it's tight and you move it, it won't move. Okay, what's next? You press the key decode and make sure everything is done. So you press confirm. The machine is reading the key now. The speed is very fast, very confident. Done. How do you check whether it's correct or wrong? Very simple. You take out your key. Okay, compare this with the decode key. Look at the patterns. Okay, it's the same. Okay, so insert a blank key in. A blank key. Insert into the hood. Okay, insert a blank key in. What's next? You press cut key. Cutting key now. What you want to achieve is like this. Okay? It's almost done. Okay, now you go deeper. It will cut the key accurately for you. Okay? Now, it's by right, you're supposed to flip the key. Other side will be the same. After a few minutes, key is successfully cut by the machine. Thank you.